मतलब I think you should just like give up.
Oh, lovely.
Fucking shoot!
Bhai, can he do it? Can he do it? F5 again this time. Pin him. Pin him. Let's go, man. Welcome, buddy. It's not like we live together, so.
It's not like
how
we
are you?
sleep together. Hey, sorry, wait. Restart.
नहीं,
वापस बोल दे.
we'll just continue, man.
वापस welcome कर दे भाई.
Welcome, buddy.
This is
how I welcome.
This is how we welcome.
Yeah.
This is how you welcome your guests, huh?
Guests who live with me, this is how I welcome them.
अच्छा, welcome buddy क्या?
Yeah, welcome, buddy.
तो हो गए जो 2 लोग थे.
My guest list at home is I'm
over
exhausted
now.
already.
क्या
What's
हाल
up,
भाई?
man? What's
Tell
up,
me-
bro?
तू मेरे को बता भाई एक what is going on over here? I went
Here?
on a vacation, I came back, तो मेरे को बोल रहा है recording.
Yeah, bro.
What are we recording? मेरे को
This
कुछ
is-
idea भी नहीं है.
This is the second episode of Just Playing.
Is this going to go out as the second but?
That we'll see. But
Second recording.
Second recording.
हाँ
Yeah.
बोल दे.
So, bhai, this show is just we are just playing games, bro.
Okay.
हम बस बकचोदी करेंगे. We'll. एक seconds, तू ही. This is not your show. This is my
come
show. I'm playing games with friends here.
ठीक है. Oh,
Not-
it's friends now. You're
not
mixing
with-
all of that.
Yeah, एक second.
That's not a.
That's messed up. नहीं. See,
बोल दे.
on your show, you play games with women, है ना?
We can put it across better. Like we.
Yeah, describe your show for me. Like how does that?
Wait. Let me think. We entertain the audience by speaking with female guests.
Educational podcast.
Educational.
How you
Yeah,
can
yeah.
talk to women. That's the whole.
That's the whole
That's
education.
the appeal.
Yeah. That's the appeal.
Yeah. ठीक है भाई. I love your show. I
Thank
love
you,
your
bhai.
show, bro. I love the people you bring on your show.
Anyone in particular?
No, ऐसा नहीं है. I mean, I like the range of people you
The
bring on
range,
your.
the guest range.
Yeah, the range
Guest
is
list.
beautiful. Like,
Yeah.
but yeah, on my show, हम बकचोदी करते हैं. We play games. But before that, bro, you went to London for like 3
हाँ, bro.
weeks, bro. Can you?
2
2 weeks.
Precisely 2 weeks. Tuesday to Tuesday था. आ गया
Budget
वापस.
trip.
Budget
मेरे
trip
को
था. उतने में मैं ऐसा डाला कैलकुलेटर.
हाँ.
Chat GPT how many days can I go? उन लोगों ने बोला भाई
हाँ.
Tuesday to Tuesday
X amount.
X amount आ जा वापस उसके बाद. Don't bother. मैं बोला ठीक है bro. Let's do it.
Yeah, how was it, dude?
It was a lot of fun, bro. Like my sister lives there, so I went to visit her. तो उधर मस्त बकचोदी किया.
Yeah.
Fight देखा bro. Like street पे
Oh
लोग
yeah,
पेल रहे
I
थे
saw your
उनको.
story, bro.
That was too much fun, bro. Like that.
Was it some Indian dudes getting?
No.
like,
Some
like
Brits, bro. It was
Brits only.
It was too much fun, bro. Because like my friends and I, we were passing by one place.
हाँ.
So we saw the argument had started. पर कुछ हो नहीं रहा था तभी. Then we went whichever place we had to go to. Like fuck it, bore हो रहा था. वापस we were walking back and we came back to the same place. That fight was still on. Like 40 minutes later, it was still going on.
Crazy,
तब उन्होंने
man.
बोला
हाथापाई?
कि- नहीं तब तक सिर्फ आर्ग्यूमेंट चल रहा था. So we said ठीक है, let's just stand here and watch. क्यों और क्या ही काम है.
तेरे अंदर का देसी
भाई, वो
बाहर
तो
जाके भी
ऐसा
तेरा
सब
कुछ.
खड़े हो गए थे अपन. मैं और 2 और देसी लौंडे थे.
Two more people joined.
All
Come
of
watch.
us, we were all just watching it. And it was too much fun, bro. क्योंकि suddenly something escalated.
हाँ.
And then these guys started beating each other up. एक बंदे को ग्राउंड पे डाल के लात मार रहे थे. Like punching ऐसा सब. One guy broke his nose. पूरा खून भरा हुआ है.
Damn,
like,
bro.
It was
You had
gruesome.
fun watching all
I
that.
enjoyed myself. I'll tell you like this. It was so entertaining. The fight, let's say it started here.
हाँ.
Then it moved here.
हाँ.
As it was moving, the whole crowd moved with it to see the fight udhar.
Live audience.
So there's this place called Greg's. It started at Greg's, went up to Starbucks. जब वापस सारे लोग उधर आए. Then they ran down the street. Bro, I kid you not, all of us ran behind them to see what happens. और सब फोन वोन निकाल के भाग रहे थे. It was too much fun, bro.
भाई अगर तेरे को यही करना था तो you could have just gone outside on the street कलीना somewhere. लंदन जाके भी तू यही कर रहा है.
Bro, इतना entertaining था.
Come on, man.
Bro, I swear to God, that made my whole trip. Because while running, okay.
That made your whole trip.
Bro, listen.
What's wrong with it?
I was running with 2 more of my friends, okay. तो हम सब हिंदी में बात कर रहे थे, so no one understands what we are saying.
हाँ.
तो हम लोग ऐसा है रनिंग एंड लाइक बेंचोद क्या मजा आ रहा है यार, पेल रहे एक दूसरे को. वे सेइंग ऑल ऑफ दिस एंड देयर लाइक दिस two like skinny ass guys. We thought they were black guys because they won ski masks, like
Oh,
fully
bhai,
covered.
you gotta stay away from
Yeah.
those, bro.
So
They can
wo-
pull out guns and
That guy
shit.
comes up to me, like one of those guys,
हाँ.
and he holds my shoulder. I was like, "Venture, अभी इधर दूसरा fight शुरू होने वाला है, मेरी गांड फट गई."
Fuck, man.
And then that guy looks at me and goes, "दिल्ली के लौंडे venture." I was like, "अरे यार."
उसको दूर से बेंचो सुनाई दिया रहेगा. He's
Exactly,
like,
bro. He
ये
was
मेरा
like, ये हमारे लोग हैं. It was too much fun, bro. Because everywhere you go, there are so many Indians.
Yeah.
बहुत मजा तो बहुत आया, bro. Because
Yeah.
like literally, it was just that whole fight. Only Indians were watching it, and all of us were like so engrossed. लोगों को ऐसा,
course.
bro. They put people on the floor and their hands behind. ऐसा लोगों को arrest किया.
Damn.
एक बंदे के हाथ पे पूरा खून था because he was beating someone up. So when the lady came to arrest him, he's like, he's not a part of the fight. So he started licking his hand to clean it, bro.
That's
like, man.
wild, भाई.
पर मजा तो बहुत आया, bro. Like,
ये सब में.
I'm not
Bro, one thing I was a little disappointed. Fucker, you stayed like I think 2-3 kilometers away from the London Stadium, right?
yeah.
You
Tottenham
could see
का.
it from your fucking window, and you
Yeah.
still didn't go for any games or
I mean,
nothing.
Tottenham का who cares, bro?
I
Top
mean,
spa?
any game.
Top spa?
Any games, man, like any football games.
Matlab
You've also grown up
Yeah.
around football, like knowing your school
Yeah.
and your upbringing.
Yeah.
Football has also been like your.
But abhi I've stopped watching, na.
Yeah, what is abhi to? Okay.
Yeah, you
When was the last time you watched a game of football?
हो गया, bro.
हो
3-4
गया.
साल. Because my team has fallen off.
Yeah.
It's been 10 years, bro, since it.
To put it into context, Stewie is a Manchester United fan, and he is a disappointment just like his club. So
Hey, come on,
it's
man.
I personally feel the club is on the up now. Like I mean, there's a new manager, and
Let's hope.
they drew their first game, by the way. Ipswich
I know,
के
I
साथ.
saw Ipswich
Fucking
के साथ.
Ipswich, bro.
But then
Imagine
I
that.
read, so again, I didn't watch the game, so I read the comments and they were like, oh, it's okay, naya formation, naya team, completely different
Yeah,
squad,
yeah,
so it's
yeah.
okay. So we'll give him some time
Yeah, I
to settle in.
can't believe that Johnny Evans is still in the team, bro. This is the
Johnny.
10 साल पहले जब तू देख रहा था ना.
He was our top player, bro. 15 years ago when I used to watch football.
He was a decent centre back.
He
but
was a good player back then.
yeah.
Evans.
Yeah.
But then that's
Johnny
what happened,
Evans.
bro. Like for people who are watching this, why the Johnny Evans? Because एक दिन हम लोग match देख रहे थे and I was like, bro, is that Johnny fucking Evans? Because
Yeah.
I've seen him so many years ago. And then Amin is like, yeah, bro, he's back at United.
Yeah. You thought he's still there, or what?
No.
After, like-
I knew he had left because when I was watching only, he had left. I was like, what the fuck, bro? I thought he came back as like a training staff या कुछ तो ऐसा.
Yeah, in a
Fucker is still
management position.
playing, bro.
Yeah, he still plays.
And then I saw how what a fuck all goal he conceded the other day. तो देखा, I think against Ipswich only.
No, I
Some
didn't
team,
watch.
bro, like he's running ahead of the player instead of like being next to him. Like क्या रहा है, bro? Like,
Okay, Jose Mourinho.
नहीं,
Giving
bro, but
tactics to Phil Jones. Sorry, Johnny Evans.
Johnny Evans.
Even Phil Jones.
Phil Jones was too good, bro. He was a beast.
He was a beast for scoring own goals, man.
He used to score sometimes, but you
Yeah.
remember when he used to like सब भागता था वो पागल जैसे used to like break the player, bro.
Yeah, I mean, respectable.
हाँ.
He had his moment.
He had his moments.
It
good
passed.
player. Yeah. It passed after 2 seasons. I think only Sir Alex could get the best out of him.
Yeah.
उसके बाद गया वो.
Yeah, तो अभी you have no like real relationship with football at all. Nothing.
Zero.
कुछ नहीं.
The last time I sincerely followed football was the 2014 World Cup. in which Germany
2014
won.
World Cup.
हाँ.
Oh shit, bro. We were
we
were kids, bro.
We were kids back then. That's the last time I followed it because my team had fallen off immediately after that.
Yeah, bro. Now that I think about it, I think we had met that summer only.
Yeah.
The summer of 14,
2014,
and the
yeah.
World Cup was going on.
हम लोग सब then we had gone to our friend's hotel
Yeah.
to watch the finals. क्योंकि रात को था bro वो.
Yeah, it was a late night
It's a
game.
midnight game था वो.
Yeah. Bye. On the menu today, we have a few games also that I want to play with you. Considering
Bata.
considering the name of
The
the
name
show.
of the show.
Yeah.
I was wondering when are we going to start playing.
Yeah, we'll
It's
start.
ready over here for you.
We'll start. We'll see. Like, I know you can't play FIFA for shit,
Yeah.
so we'll play WWE.
Done.
ठीक है, because we're both
We're both bad at
we're
it.
both bad at it.
Yeah.
So we'll play one game of WWE, and depending on how it goes, we'll play FIFA.
Mother chod.
If you win, we'll play FIFA.
ठीक है. Then you want power back over.
Let's see. Because bro, I fucking lost both games when I played Amin.
I mean, Amin is a
FIFA.
good player, bro.
Amin is good, but I keep beating him, bro, off camera. Like it's the performance.
Okay,
it's
bro.
the performance
Yeah.
anxiety
Yeah,
that I
we
get.
believe you. We believe you.
भाई तेरी गांड मारता रुका अभी.
आजा चल.
Real.
Are you excited to play, bro?
I'm gonna kick your ass, dude. It's
चल
time
बे.
for some WWE. हो जाए भाई.
WrestleMania.
Let's do WrestleMania भाई.
कौन सा वाला?
Let's
39.
do 39
Night time.
Normal rules भाई.
Yeah, done.
Normal rules.
We play by the rules, bro.
Yeah. क्या ले रहा है
Roman
तू?
Reigns.
I have one guess of what you're gonna take, bro.
बोल दे भाई.
You're gonna take the Rock, aren't you?
Of course, bro. There's only
piece of
one man who's too fucking good at this game.
I'm going with Brock Lesnar.
Aki chud bhai.
I'll add manager Paul Heyman भाई.
I'll also add a manager then.
है नहीं यार इसमें Paul Heyman. Fuck. Hulk Hogan will be my manager.
सबसे हरामी कौन है bro?
You can take Logan Paul.
But Logan I don't feel will do anything.
He'll do, bro. He'll fuck
will?
around. Yeah. Start this shit, bhai.
Rock
Grab
versus
him by the-
Brock है bro ये.
Yeah. Oh, that was cool. Suplex was cool. भाई ये इसको उपाय ही नहीं है. Okay. Lovely. दे भाई. दे. This Logan is fucking sending the kendo stick in again भाई. यही करता है
Logan
भाई.
needs to come in and fuck you up bro. भाई मेरे को finishers आ ही नहीं रहे देखना.
अभी आएगा ना.
कितना पेलू तुझे और भाई.
आ गया. इसके बाद आ ही जाएगा भाई. There's just no way. Lovely.
Why is he doing that stupid move? I want to know jump and kick you. Oh fuck
What
bhai.
was that? Ah, no.
You see how you're constantly getting finishers I'm just not getting?
अभी आ गया ना तेरा भी.
इतने
Jeez,
टाइम बाद
bro.
भाई.
भाई The Rock has taken no damage भाई.
What nonsense bro. Look at his fucking thing.
भाई see his health.
Yeah, his health is better than. पर कब से पेल भी रहा है bro.
भाई I think come on man. कुत्ता कर दिया भाई तूने उसका भी. Get up Brock. This is just sad. This is just sad.
सिर्फ कुत्ता कर रहा है भाई वो उसका. अरे I don't even want to do this. I'm literally not even doing this.
Okay, get out bro. This is fine. अरे भाई
Logan.
डिस्क्वालीफाई हो गया तो
Logan तेरे को
Sure
अंदर डाल
he's-
रहा है bro.
send me back.
Logan is like no time. I love Logan bro on this.
Lovely.
Oh, Maki
he's
shoot.
taking him.
Fuck.
F5.
भाई पूरा हेल्थ खत्म कर दिया तूने.
Okay, come on in bitch. हे भाई
रेफरी को क्यों पेला भाई तू. अरे वापस रेफ को पेल रहा है वैन शोध. ये ले हल्क मादर चोद मेरे को मारने जा रहा है.
You should just get counted out bro. I'll take the win.
Wait, let me come in first. नहीं तो I'll get counted out.
Fuck you man.
See, you don't want to win by someone getting counted out.
अरे भाई चुद्दी भाई.
Allah, I think you should just like give up.
Oh, lovely.
Fucking shoot!
Why? Can he do it? Can he do it? F5 again this time. Pin him. One.
I had to, bro. I had to.
Resiliency score.
तेरा भी गया ना?
नहीं गया मेरा.
नहीं गया है तेरा?
भाई इंटेंस हो गया है भाई अभी फाइनली. This is getting serious now bro.
This is a little too close bro now.
This is too scary now. By the turnbuckle. Oh, lovely from Lesnar. Brilliant. कुत्ता कर भाई कुत्ता कर. Let's go. Oh. Oh, his back gave out. Fuck. His back gave out. Oh fuck.
Come on, bhai. Come on.
Oh
We need
fuck.
to
Not
beat
like
the
this.
fuck out of
Not
him.
like
Rock.
this. Not like this. Not like this. Not like this. Come on. Lovely. Oh.
भाई ये क्या था?
Reversal! German suplex again!
How the fuck are you
And-
doing this?
Another one! उठ जा अभी
Bro,
भाई.
how the fuck are you doing this?
Holy shit, Lesnar! And now, can you do it, Brock? Can you?
Fuck.
And this!
दोनों लेट.
And the squad. What? Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. भाई but intense match था भाई. I
ये वाला अच्छा
bro,
था,
honestly
bro.
I didn't see. I really thought I'm gonna
Even
lose.
I thought I was going to win at one point.
Crazy. It's finally over.
The dry run is done.
This is my first win on this show.
Congratulations, brother. I'm glad I was your first.
एक FIFA मैच हो जाए मैं तो बोलता हूँ. Are you down for that?
Why not?
Yeah.
But I get to choose a good team.
Handicap मैच खेलते हैं भाई. You
चलेगा.
take the best team in the game and
Done.
I'll take maybe the worst team.
Chal, done.
Soccer Aid is in the rest of the world. It's the best team in the game. Bhai, I think
Jamshedpur FC. Odisha FC.
should I take Kerala Blasters?
The atmosphere will be crazy.
हो जाए भाई. केरला में खेलेंगे.
God's own country.
Let's go. Kerala Blasters versus Soccer
Look at,
Aid.
look at all these drunk fucks coming to watch a game.
Calling out the Kerala fans like that, bhai. Bye. When
मरेगा कि नहीं चूतिया सही.
बनाया तो भाई lovely tackle यार. That's what you get, bro. That's what you get for. Oh no.
Ah!
No.
How did I not score that?
Farooq Bhatt. Oh no.
Farooq bhai,
Farooq bhai is a lame. Bhai, where is my defense?
you're playing like some ultra.
No.
Who scored?
Cantona.
King Cantona.
Why is my defense like split open like that?
I think that's because your formation is quite fuck all, bro.
No, it's a 4-3-3. Flat.
That's how your team is falling flat, bro.
Arey yaar. I think I need to instruct my fullbacks to stay the fuck back.
How the fuck do I give that power shot, bro? I had fucking Roberto Carlos.
L1 R1. Played by Farooq. Abey Farooq, come on. Get in
Farooq
there.
sounds like someone saying Shahrukh, but they have a lisp. Oh,
Fucking Zidane.
hey Zidane! How
Arey
could you
yaar,
misplace
this
that pass
fucking-
like that, bro?
Played यार.
कौन है भाई
Ball.
वो डिफेंडर तेरा?
Ball. Farooq! अबे क्या कर रहा है भाई? It's a fucking simple finish, man. Played यार. Farooq, अच्छा Farooq इधर है. Farooq भाई. अरे भाई, Praveen, get the ball back. Lovely. अबे खाली गोल है मेरे भाई.
Byju's learning app.
You know when Byju's got Messi as their sponsor,
Yeah, I remember.
they went bankrupt after that.
I mean, no shit, bro. Trying to get Messi. कितना पैसा ले रहेगा भाई उसने?
अरे यार, this team is in shambles. What a pass! खेल दिया भाई.
Pele is just the best.
Bro, these guys, it's so hard to finish with them, man. I need to play counter-attacking football. Ah, good pass. Whoa, lovely.
Hey,
Peek to मारो यार.
you got some crazy number of shots on target, bro.
What's the point?
Your
कौन है?
XG is high.
मेरा सिर्फ XG है भाई.
That's astonishing. Absolutely world class.
This is
Bhai, 3-0 is still not. I'm still in the game, bhai. I'm
Yeah,
still,
yeah,
in, the
still
game.
in the game.
I just need to score one so that I feel confident, bhai. एक गोल मारने के बाद थोड़ा कॉन्फिडेंस आ जाएगा यार मेरे को. और पास भाई मारना. गेट से
Hey, कैसे अंदर कैसे रखा भाई उसने?
भाई ये लोग कर ही नहीं पा रहे हैं यार. Fuck 3-0 at half time. भाई, I've got to make some changes.
I gotta like score more now.
I've got to make some serious changes, bro.
कर ले भाई. My team is like perfect.
Speaking of
Inch
changes.
perfect.
Speaking of changes, what sort of changes would you like to make in your life?
Oh damn, bro. Deep हो गया यार
It's
ये तो.
yeah, bro. The show can go anywhere.
I mean,
You can-
clearly,
you can
I'm
win, you
beating
can
the
lose.
shit out of you in FIFA, where I never play. This show really can go anywhere.
Yeah.
Work wise तो काफी है.
Work-wise, you gotta
Yeah.
fix your shit.
Yeah, bro, 100%. And health wise, health तो भाई obviously, cause Bex का shot अड़ाया भाई.
Just stop drinking, man.
I mean, I don't. Come on, man. I just want to like start working out and shit.
भाई तू जिम नहीं आता मेरे साथ यार.
Bro, I hate people being in the gym, you know. You know what I'm saying? Like,
Yeah.
I'm penalty.
नहीं offside.
हाँ, बच गया. Shit, can't.
Bhai, we just come with me around 3. Like our gym is empty.
That's what I try to do. But I end up waking up only at like 3.
सीधा एक कॉफी मार के you should just come with me, man, to the gym. Oh, come on, not like this. Crazy.
क्या? From where the fuck did he pull that out of his ass, bro? That save?
Unfortunately. Come on, not like this, भाई.
ओए.
दिखा दिया भाई तू ने. चलो.
सही तो था भाई. Penalty था वो. Bro, 1x bat. Did you notice that? It's not 1x bet.
Oh shit, it's some other company.
Yeah, it's 1x bat that they've written.
Crazy, भाई.
How the
So
fuck
with
do I-
this, you have to give direction left analog से.
हाँ.
And जब वो छोटा होता है, then
तब
press
O
O.
ना?
Yeah. I think knowing you, you just stayed.
पहले hat trick.
Man, lovely.
He's done it!
Man, and shoots.
Let's go. भाई. One back. Sadaki.
क्या save था भाई वो?
Come on, man. Come on.
I feel your frustration, Zidane. Do you know the fun fact? Fucking Zidane had come to India.
What? Yeah, I mean, I'm sure he's come.
No, for a gym का opening, bro. कनक या Paris करके एक society है मुंबई में. So one of my friends, no.
Why would Zidane come for that?
I have absolutely no clue, bro. So one of my friends was telling me. So she used to stay at Kanakya Paris. एक दिन हम लोग ऐसे ही बात कर रहे थे. तो she's like, oh bro, you know, my gym was damn fancy off.
Thank
She was,
God.
she was telling me about her gym was damn fancy when she was at Kanakya Paris. So, and then she goes, this one very famous person had come for the opening of it.
Huh.
I was like, who's this famous person? She's like, there's some footballer, I don't know, he had come, his name is with Z. I was like, Zidane. She's like,
What a goal that was.
crazy, bro.
Sorry, Tiro, but it's too late, man.
Too little, too late, kya?
Too little, too late, bhai. I needed one of those fucking chances to be taken. Bhai, roko na usko, yaar.
Ronaldinho.
But
Yeah, but basically she was telling me, she's like, this player with Z had come. I was like, bro, there's only one legend with Z. Bhai, that fucking spot has moved there now. Did you notice that?
yeah.
And then then she told me, she was like, then I fucking Googled it. I was like, balls, bro. I said Zidane. She's like, yeah, that same name. He had come for the opening of her society gym, bro. Like not even a commercial Gold's gym या कुछ ऐसा.
A society
gym. I was like, bro, that's not possible.
Oh, you know why?
Why?
Kanakya Paris. French.
Oh shit! भाई कितना पैसा डाला रहेगा उसने?
करोड़ों दिए रहेंगे भाई उसने.
Fuck.
They're like,
That shit didn't strike me only.
कुछ तो करना पड़ेगा फ्रांस
Because
के
after
लिए.
I googled it to make sure that it was true,
Fuck you, man. I'm just gonna.
I was like, let's see if he actually came or not. And there are
actually
photos of fucking Zidane in a suit.
वैसा रिबन काट रहा है.
हो रहेगा भाई. I fucking lost it. ये देख.
I lost it.
एक गेम नहीं जीता जाता तेरे से ढंग से.
This team is too good, man. This was too much.
Come on,
this
bro.
was
Like,
too much.
Away. S-Dog came to your home ground and thrashed you, bro.
Man. You did it.
रुक ना, let me see match facts.
जाना है तेरे को facts में.
Maybe we shouldn't. It's
नहीं,
been
नहीं,
such a
let's-
fun
let's-
night,
let's
bro.
get into-
Come on.
Even the last episode we dove deep into this, but I think this may we can skip all this.
This is quite fuck all. We don't want to embarrass ourselves
there's
like
no
that.
need. There's no need to do this.
We don't want to embarrass ourselves like that. today.
Yeah, I've done.
How the fuck did
ठीक
you
है
have
भाई.
more possession than me?
Exactly, bro. Exactly.
I mean, ठीक है.
ठीक है भाई. Kerala Blasters did all they could
They
against
did their
legends.
best, bro. They did their
But
best.
this was fun.
This was good.
This was fun. So basically draw हुआ है
Draw
अपना.
हुआ है, yeah.
Draw हुआ है.
But actually, you should consider it as a loss because, come on, bro.
Because FIFA is my game.
FIFA is supposed to be a game.
I've just been losing in
I
FIFA.
have
bro.
a suggestion, bro. Start practicing before you call your next guest. थोड़ा मतलब practice कर. Let
भाई-
them feel some sort of competition.
Next guest, I think यशराज को ही बुलाना पड़ेगा भाई.
माँ की चूत है. Fuck you, Yashraj, if you're watching this. Fuck you. I don't like you. But बुला bro, उसको बुला.
Yeah, man. Because
I
I
think
think
he's-
1-on-1, I think
He's
I
the
can.
only one
I
who's shit.
love you, bhai.
Yeah.
Love you, bhai.
No,
आजा.
not from my side. But bye.
मजा आ गया भाई. Thanks for
See you.
coming on and
See you outside. This
see you
room.
outside. Let's have dinner together.
चलो, let's go get dinner.
All right. चल भाई, एक सेकंड रुक जा.
हाँ, पहले सेव कर ले.
Same. Let's go.
Let's go.
चल भाई, let's wrap. Let's go.